Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Find X2 Neo. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter password and security and go to lock screen password. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, pattern and alphanumeric. Let's start with numeric. Use a different password type, and thanks to this you can set three types of numeric password: 6-digit, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits password. Let's set up, for example, 4-digit, because those three are basically the same but only with different length. So let's set up 4-digit. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select alphanumeric, containing from 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now when it's done, we can go back and now we can enter fingerprint. Simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, we can set up face unlock. Simply enter face and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.